In a quiet kingdom near dark mountains, there lived a kind girl named Elin. She lived a simple life with her grandmother, but Elin had a secret. On her wrist, there was a glowing mark. Every night, it shined softly. One evening, Elin asked,
"Grandmother, why does this mark glow?"
You must not ask about it.
"But why?" "Because it is a promise you did not make." I don't understand, but something feels wrong.
That same night, a cold wind filled the house. The candles flickered. Suddenly, a deep voice echoed,
It is time! Who's there?
Shadows gathered in the corner, slowly forming into a tall figure. A man stepped forward. His eyes glowed faintly. He said calmly,
I have come for you.
For me? Why?
The man looked at her wrist.
You were promised to me long ago. From the moment you were born, a bond was sealed.
Her grandmother rushed forward. She cried.
Please, leave her alone.
The man's voice turned cold.
A deal cannot be broken.
What deal? Tell me the truth. Years ago, you were dying, Elin. I had no choice. I promised you to the Shadow King. You promised my life. I wanted to save you. Years ago, when you were dying, I had no choice. I promised you to the Shadow King.
The Shadow King held out his hand. He said,
Come with me.
No, I won't go with you. I don't even know you.
You will.
You will.
Her mark began to glow brighter. She felt a strange pull. Slowly, she placed her hand in his. In a moment, a shadow surrounded them, and everything disappeared. Elin opened her eyes. She was standing in a dark but beautiful kingdom. Black towers rose into the sky. Soft, glowing lights floated around her. She whispered,
Where am I?
Home.
This is not my home.
You don't remember, do you?
Remember what?
The Shadow King raised his hand. Suddenly, images flashed in her mind. A dark palace, a shining crown, and herself standing beside him. Elin gasped.
No, this can't be real.
You were not always human. You were the queen of this kingdom.
No, that's not possible.
You left this world once to live a human life.
Why?
Because you were afraid of loving me.
Elin's heart beat fast. She looked at her glowing mark, then at him. She asked softly,
And now?
Now, you must choose again.
Two lives stood before her, her simple human life, or her forgotten past. Elin took a deep breath. She said slowly,
I don't remember the past, but I can feel something in my heart. And I want to know the truth.
The mark on her wrist shined brighter than ever. The Shadow King smiled slightly.
Your story is just beginning.
The Dark Kingdom lit up around her. And far away in the human world, her grandmother whispered,
Please, be safe, my child.
If you want to join the story of Elin as a queen, write part 2 in the comments and don't forget to like this video.